children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. I am Sandhyavali. I am teaching you EVS subject for this online classes. It is so lovely to be with you again. Hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying yourself by the grace of God. Okay, in previous lesson we learned about the types of plants and uses of plants and parts of plants. Today we learn about the uses of it. Okay, see children, all of you open your books and see what is the name of the lesson. Page number 76, open all of you. What is the name of the lesson? Uses of plants. Once again I repeat, what is the name of the lesson? Uses of plants. Okay, plants have many uses. We get many more things for us. Food from plants. Plants give us different kinds of food such as fruits and vegetables. See children, what are the examples of the fruits? Banana, orange, pineapple, watermelon, cherries, peaches and grapes. It gives energy to our body. Coming to vegetables. What are the examples of the vegetables? Broccoli, carrot, brinjal, tomato, lady's finger. These all are examples of the vegetables. It gives nutrition to our food, our body. Coming to next. We eat leaves of some plants such as cabbage, lettuce, spinach and coriander. Next, coming to next one. We eat roots of some plants such as radish, carrot, beetroot and turnip. We eat some flowers of some plants. Examples, broccoli and cauliflower. We get nuts from plants. Examples, groundnut, walnut and cashew nut. Do you know children, the earth has more than 80,000 types of edible plants. What is meaning of edible? Fit to be eaten. Which are the plants we use regularly? We use regularly leafy vegetables and medicinal plants. The type of all plants we call as the edible plants. Okay. Next point, cereals and pulses. Cereals, it is chief food material of our diet. Plant give us food grains, and food grains or dry seeds or seed-like fruit of some plants and which we use as food. Different food grains are maize, barley, oats, rice and wheat. These are known as the cereals. Some cereals are grind and to make flour we can make chapati, puri, dosa using it. Coming to pulses. They are part of our diet. They are found inside of the pods. We eat seeds of some plants such as peas, kidney beans and grams. Grams means we use daily in our diet. These are red gram, black gram and green gram. They are called the pulses. Coming to next, spices. We also get many types of spices from plants such as black pepper, clove and cardamom. They add flavor to our food. Some spices are ground in a mixer and used in a powder form. For example, turmeric. Turmeric is used in powder form. Next, oil. We get oil from seeds or fruits of some plants. Oil is used for cooking and for oiling the hair. For example, of some oil seeds are mustard, sunflower, coconut and groundnut. Last one is beverages. Beverages means drinks of any type like tea, coffee or milk. We get coffee, tea and cocoa from plants. Flowers and fruits such as rose, mango, lemon are used to make juices, jams and sherbets. Tea leaves are used to make tea, and coffee beans are used to get coffee powder. Chocolates are made from the seeds of cocoa plant. See the table, page number 79. Name two plants whose following parts are eaten. We have to write here two examples of the plants. First one, leaves. What are the examples of the plant? First one, write cabbage. Next, spinach. Next, coming to fruit. Mango, apple. Roots, what are the examples? Carrot and radish. Stem, what are the examples of the stem? Potato and onion. To remember, I already written on the board. See the children, food from plants. What are the examples? Fruits and vegetables. Plants give us cereals and pulses. Like examples are rice, wheat and grass. And plants give us spices also. Examples clove, cardamom and pepper. Next, oil. Oil, what are the examples of the oil? Groundnut, mustard and coconut. Final one is beverages. Like examples are tea, coffee or milk. Not only these, are essential for the living beings on the earth. We get oxygen from plants, which is essential for breathing. And plants make our surroundings beautiful. Plants provide the shelter for birds and insects and give fodder to animals. Okay, we get fuel from plants. Do you understand, children, how the plants are very, very important for us? So, don't cut the trees and plant more trees. This much for today. Take care of yourself and see you again. Until then, stay home.